Here is the perfect recipe for kids to crave eggplant. Start by soaking 20 grams of glass noodles while preparing the other ingredients. Cut 2 eggplants into slices of 1 cm thick. Soak them for 5 minutes in water with 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. This will prevent oxidation. Then drain them. Cut 1 carrot into very small cubes. Put them in a mixing bowl. Chop the green part of the green onion. Put it with the carrot. Also mince the white part. And keep aside. Remove the heart from the eggplant. We get some rings. And cut the heart into small cubes. Put them in a mixing bowl. Drain the glass noodles. Cut them into small chunks. Put them in a mixing bowl. Chop 1 clove of garlic. Cut 1 chicken breast into chunks. Blend them. Put 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a pan heated over high heat. When the oil is hot, add the chopped garlic. Stir for 20 seconds. Put the chicken, briefly stir. Add a half teaspoon of salt and a pinch of ground pepper. Stir for 3 minutes, separating the small pieces. Add the white part of the green onion. Stir for 20 seconds. Put them into the mixing bowl. To prepare the 2 peppers powder, roast 1 teaspoon of Szechuan pepper over low heat. Regularly stir. As soon as the fragrance comes up, after about 1 minute and 30 seconds, turn off the heat. Grind them with 1 teaspoon of whole black pepper and half teaspoon of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of salt in a mixing bowl and 3 eggs. Combine. Also add 2 tablespoons of wheat flour. Mix again. Put 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a pan over low heat. When the oil is hot, put the eggplant rings. Fill them up with the preparation. Put the lid on and let cook for 2 minutes. Flip them. Put the lid back on and leave for another 2 minutes. Take them out. Continue cooking the other rings, adding 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. The stuffed eggplant rings are ready. Bon appétit! The eggplant rings become a kind of well-seasoned pancakes. They are even better when sprinkled with two peppers powder. Enjoy with jasmine rice. Thank you for watching and see you at the next homemade dish.